Welcome to Motor Vision, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. From groundbreaking innovations to the latest releases, we bring you the best in the world of cars. If you're a fan of cutting-edge technology and iconic designs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our journey. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury SUVs with the 2025 Mercedes G-Class EV. This electrified version of the legendary G-Wagon represents a bold step forward for Mercedes-Benz, combining the rugged off-road capability we've come to love with eco-friendly electric performance. At first glance, the G-Class EV retains its unmistakable boxy silhouette, a hallmark of its heritage. But look closer, and you'll notice futuristic design elements like sleek LED lighting and aerodynamic touches, signaling its electric heart. Mercedes has managed to blend tradition with innovation seamlessly. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, you'll find a state-of-the-art battery system that promises impressive range and power. While exact figures are yet to be confirmed, early reports suggest it could deliver over 300 miles on a single charge, making it a practical choice for both city driving and off-road adventures. The dual-motor setup ensures all-wheel drive capability, with instant torque for tackling tough terrains or quick acceleration on the highway. Inside, the G-Class EV offers a luxurious cabin packed with advanced technology. The massive digital dashboard integrates Mercedes' latest MBUX system, offering intuitive controls, voice commands, and seamless connectivity. Sustainable materials and premium finishes underline the brand's commitment to both luxury and environmental responsibility. But this G-Wagon isn't just about performance and style. It's also about versatility. Mercedes has equipped it with advanced off-road tech, including adjustable air suspension and multiple drive modes, ensuring it can conquer any landscape with ease. The 2025 Mercedes G-Class EV marks a significant milestone for the automotive industry, proving that sustainability and luxury can coexist without compromise. With its bold design, powerful electric drivetrain, and iconic status, this G-Wagon is set to redefine the future of SUVs. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. If you're as excited about the future of cars as we are, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more insights, reviews, and everything automotive. See you next time.